It's just so powerful what you can do no matter what size your account is if you have the knowledge of what to do with it.
Like in life, you just need coaches because people see things that you don't see.
What am I going to learn today or every day that makes me more valuable to myself? Which means I can earn more money, I can find opportunity, I can strategically manage risk. Like, what are you doing in those categories to get more valuable to yourself? Get off the fence, get the coaching, get the training, get the course, get the information you need to have the conversations you need to have from a standpoint of value and not a standpoint of, I think I can do this. Maybe I'm gonna try it myself and see how much I'll lose. Then I'll get the right coaching, training, and information, because that is a blueprint and a game plan that no one would sign up for, not even yourself.